The P450 is a machine that inserts itself in a vast market such as the square machine one because of three factors: the price, the quality and the performances. The machine is produced with a solid support for the sliding frontal table and the maximum length of the blade of 450 millimeters, which can disappear below the plan. The software allows me to memorize complete cutting programs to use whenever I want. Otherwise, I can just program all the three axes at the same time. When it comes to the axes, I can handle it one by one or all three together at the same time. The first display we find on the PLC is responsible for the moving of the parallel fence throughout all the plan. Next one we have is the one responsible for the height of the blade. And last, the one responsible for the blade tilting. As you can see, the fence automatically adjusts itself in order to help the blade tilt itself. But if I want to, I can handle all three of the axes at the same time, all together. When it comes to safety, the P450 is not only CE certified, but comes with an emergency red handle that you have to push in order not to be squished between the fence and the machinery itself. The blade cover is very easy to use, and because of that, it makes it more appealable for the operator to use. The angle cuts plan comes with the most used and most common angles for the cuts. The parallel fence has a large surface to go with and makes it easy for the operator to operate in between it. The speed gear change is very easy for the operator to reach, which makes it more appealing for him to change and use whichever speed he wants for whichever surface he has to work with. One of the most requested optionals for the guide is the digital display, which comes in two different displays, and with a precision of decimal approximation, it helps the operator to work with whichever dimension of panel he chooses. The engraver can be controlled automatically too by a pulse button. Every pulse on the button matches 0.1 millimeters on the movement of the engraver.